Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It's Friday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody. Even if you're not Irish, everyone can celebrate today. I'm partly Irish. It was always a big holiday when I was growing up. My mom would buy me and my sisters green carnation corsages to wear to school and corned beef and cabbage for dinner and all that stuff. So we just, well, actually my family doesn't really like roast corned beef and cabbage, so I just make corned beef sandwiches with coleslaw. So that's our tribute to St. Patrick's Day. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day and you had a wonderful week. I've got a few things to show this week, a couple of crafty updates, a little bit of non-crafty things, and yeah, so let's get started. First, I wanted to tell you that I did get a couple more of these large bead keepers from Walmart. My store actually sold out of them, which is fine because they were cheaper online anyway, and a lot of you told me that you picked these up too, so I'm glad that my suggestion was helpful because these are great to store the dewdrop ink pads in. So I got more to maybe store my little ink cubes in, like Distress Oxides and stuff, and I thought it would be just a good idea to have them on hand in case they didn't make them anymore or the price went up and they were $6 whatever online. So they were delivered for free because I ordered a few other things as well. And yeah, I'm glad to get a couple more of these. I will link them down below again in case you missed last week's video. They're a really great size to add your dewdrop ink pads and other mini ink pads as well. So I've got two of those. That was it from Walmart. I was looking for gingham, small gingham papers, and my go-to up until now has been the My Favorite Things Tiny Check 6x6 paper pad. And this is hard to find now. They don't make it anymore, and like all the big sites are out of it. It's got really small, as you can see, small ginghams, really pretty colors, and it's just hard to find teeny tiny ginghams like this. So I was looking online and trying to find stuff, and honestly, I only ever use, like a few of the colors anyway. So I use the pinks and the yellows and light blues, and then I have all the rest usually left. So I was looking for something else. So I looked on Etsy and I found this seller who sells digital papers, and this file was such a great deal. It's called Small Gingham Digital Paper, 100 rainbow colors. So you get a paper of 100 colors for, it was $1.73 for me. So I printed them out, well, not all of them, I printed out some of them, and it's great. I'm so glad to find this. So as you can see, it's a really nice small print, just like the My Favorite Things Tiny Gingham, very, very similar size. So there are like 4 or 5 pinks, probably more actually, and aquas and yellows and just any color you can want, even like tans and black as well. So I just wrote down here the number of it. It says on the file that they're 12 by 12s, but they print out fine on a 8.5 by 11 paper. So I just want to show you a few samples of the colors I printed out. Like these are some kind of like aqua blue colors. And as you can see, there's like a light bluish one. This one's more minty. This one's like a more aqua color. So I am so glad to have this. And for $1.73, yes, you have to pay for ink, of course, but that's the trade-off. But this way I can have tiny gingham prints whenever I need them. There were a bunch of different yellows. As you can see, I have these two, and there was another one I had too that I used some of it already. I don't know if I have it in this stack, but oh yeah, here it is. Like a really super light one too. So yeah, those are the yellows, and then pinks. I have these pinks. I used a couple of these already. Actually, this I think is the same as that one. Yeah. So I thought this was a great find, and I was so relieved to have some tiny gingham. So I will link them down below as well in case you are looking for small gingham paper. So again, 100 colors it was $1.73. I don't know what the price is right now, but they always, the Etsy shops always have like sales going on for their papers. So make sure you wait for a sale, or use a coupon or whatever. All right, so that was it from Etsy. I went to Hobby Lobby last Friday, and I did post a reel on my Instagram because their needlework aisle, they had a lot on clearance, including like embroidery threads and crochet kits and what else? Lots of different things. So I didn't really get too much. I got a couple of these. These are crafty hand creams by Cardmaking. And it's non-staining, unscented, quick drying, and moisturizing. It was reduced from $6.99 to $174. And I did look it up online, and it gets pretty good reviews. It's unscented, quick drying, and it says unscented, but I opened the other one, and it's not like the best smell. It's just kind of like, I don't know, just kind of a plasticky kind of smell, but it works well. So I have one on my desk, and I might gift this when I send some Happy Mail because I just think it's a really cute package. And actually I might take it out of this and put it in like a little bag or something, but it's sealed on the inside, so you don't have to worry about that. So I got that. And then I got this stamped as well. This was in the needlework section. It was reduced from $3.99 to 99 cents, and it says made with love. I thought that was really cute. So it is a red rubber stamp on a wood block. Very cute, right? By the way, my nails, they're Kiss Impress nails, and they're a little more fancy than I usually like. Got some glue still on this one, but yeah, I add some extra glue to it, and it comes with like sticky stuff on them already. But anyway, those are my very extra nails this week. All right, let's move on. I had the most, I did not measure this purchase, obviously. I wanted to get some more red line tape, so I went onto Amazon and I was looking for a 1/8 inch red line tape. And I found a pack by iCraft that was 1/8 inch, and the price was $5.64, which was a pretty good price. So I thought, oh, I'll get that. And it comes with, how much? I have to show you this package, but I wanted to tell you first how much was on it. Oh, I can't even see it. Oh, 6 yards. Okay, so I thought that must be a pretty big roll. Look at this teeny tiny roll of red line tape. I thought it was going to be a nice big roll like I've gotten before, so I laughed when this came in. So I don't know, actually I don't know how I was supposed to know that this was this small, but hopefully it'll last a long time. It's 6 yards, so I guess it will, but oh, it was so funny, this teeny tiny roll. So I did get that for $5.64 on Amazon. I will link it just in case you need a little roll of red line tape too. So that was my laugh. Oh, and I forgot to show you, I went to Hobby Lobby again. I just went today because I saw this bowl on somebody's YouTube and I wanted to get it too. I just thought it was so pretty. So isn't this adorable? I guess it's supposed to be like, I don't know, a popcorn dish or something. I don't think it's a planter. No, because it doesn't have a hole or anything, and it was located in the spring section, like with the like lemon and strawberry and watermelon things. So it was $13.99, but 40% off, so it was like $8 something. But isn't that so cute? I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I just love that little face, and the pink and the white is adorable. So I got that, and then the only other thing I got was were these photo corners, and these are on clearance, reduced from $4.99 to $124. And I am I've got an album. Actually, it's a embellishment book that you probably have. Well, I think I will have uploaded that video before this one goes up, but it's a new KS Craft project share, but I think I want to add these to the embellishment book that I made. So I got that. Okay, let's move on to AliExpress. I got a couple of new wax seals. These are from 2 different stores, and they don't come with the little handle, but I do have them on handles. So this one is, I don't know if you could tell, I'll show you some examples because I did make some. This one is a cherry, a stem of 2 cherries, and it's got like a little checkered background and then like a scallop edge on it. Isn't that pretty? And then the second one I got I wanted to get a strawberry stamp just so, you know, because of my strawberry cream name and everything. And of course I do love strawberries, but I thought this would be nice like on the back of envelopes or projects or whatever. So I found this one strawberry that I thought was really pretty. So I got that. So let me show you some examples. I did make some. I've had this silicone mat that I usually use to make my wax melts. So let me get one out. Let me show you this one first. So this is the cherry. Isn't that pretty? I just love the scallop edging on it, and it's really nice and dimensional, and it leaves that little checkered background as well. I love this one. So there's that, and this one you can see has little pink and white wax melts in there. And then I also did it with, this one looks kind of muddy, but it's like pink and blue and white all mixed together. And then this one is yellow and white mixed together. Can you see? Yeah. So cute, right? And then this one came out pretty good. This one is pink and aqua and like a darker aqua as well. And these were from a Honeybee Stamps wax beads mix. So I got that, or made those. And then these are the strawberry ones. Just a nice simple strawberry. So pink, and this one is like multicolors. And I don't mind if it's not perfectly round on the outside. I like how it looks with the wax seal, and then the wax kind of oozes up around that. I like that it's not perfect because that makes it seem more authentic to me. This one though, it didn't go all the way to the edge, so I don't really like that one. But everything else I think came out pretty cute. And I did make more. They're just in my new embellishment book. So much fun to make wax melts. And oh guys, I finally placed my first Temu order, and I ordered some more wax beads, and let's see what else. Another little stove thingy and a spoon. So I cannot wait for that to come in. That should hopefully be here next week, and I could show you guys next week. So yeah, so those are my new wax seals that I got. And let's see, I went to Home Goods today just to look around, see what was there. I got this soap that I thought was really, really cute. And it looks like a Winnie the Pooh honey pot. It's by Maison de Base. Vanilla honey hand soap, paraben and phthalate free. And it smells really good. I smelled it in the store, and it was $4.99. So it's a lot of soap. It's 16.9 fluid ounces. And they had a couple of different varieties of cute soaps like this. They had like a mushroom one. They have an ice cream one, which I already bought, which I don't think I showed you guys, but it's like this ice cream cone with strawberry ice cream on the top. So I got that too, but that's upstairs. I can't really show you right now, obviously, but I did get that one. So yeah, got that. And then also at Home Goods, I got some more towels. And these I'll be saving for summertime because I usually like to decorate with strawberry things. So I hadn't seen this before. So it's a pack of 3 towels, and it was $7.99. So it comes with this really pretty strawberry one that is nice and thick too. And the inside is like terry cloth. I love this kind of towel. And then it comes with like this striped one and then a gingham one. So really nice. I was happy to find those. I have a thing for towels. I think a lot of us do. I don't know why. And then that was it from Home Goods. I only got those 2 things. I went to Target today because I had to get some vitamins, and what else did I get there? I don't know, some other stuff. So I found this. I was just walking by the clothes section, and I stopped because I saw a Hello Kitty and Pusheen section. So I picked up this sweatshirt for myself. Yes, I'm 53 years old, but I love this sweatshirt. Look, it's got Hello Kitty and Pusheen on it. Oh, so cute. So this was, I think, like $24.99. I didn't think that was that bad. They had a pair of sweatpants to match, but I wasn't crazy about the legs. They were really wide-legged. Hold on one second. Gus is at the door. All right, I let Gus in, so he might come up here. But yeah, I wasn't crazy about the leg of the sweatpants, and I really wasn't sure what size to get. And I figured, you know, the sweatshirt is more forgiving size-wise. So I got a medium because I like those to be nice and loose. So the sleeve says Hello Kitty and Pusheen on there. Oh, it's so cute. They also had, was it a shirt, like a crop top? And I'm not about to wear that, so I didn't get that. But the back doesn't have anything on it. I was kind of hoping there'd be like a picture on the back, but no, there isn't. So yeah, that's at Target. So cute, right? So I got that, and I wanted to update you. I made myself a new key ring. I like to wear like bracelet key rings because I'm always losing my keys in my purse, and with the bracelet one, I never lose it. So the one that I had was kind of breaking, and I had gotten that at Five Below like several years ago. So I thought, you know what, I can make my own. So I made a key ring like this with the bracelet, and for the bracelet, I used 1 millimeter stretch cording that I use to make bracelets with, but 1 millimeter is nice and thick. And then I just found a bunch of wood beads that I have in my stash and strung them together so it would fit nicely, but not, you know, not too loose and not too tight. And then I added a, you know, one of these clips. And actually, did this come? I think these came separately because I had this key ring part. Yeah, and I added that onto the clip, and then just added my house key and my car key. So yeah, I just wear this into the stores, and then if I put it in my purse, it doesn't get lost because it's nice and big like this. So just wanted to update you in case you have a bunch of beads and you want something like that as well. So that's what I've been up to, and yeah, I think that is it for my haul today. I'm pretty sure that my part 2 of my KS Craft project videos for March, I'm pretty sure that'll be up before this video. I still have to record it, but I think I'm gonna post it as soon as I record it. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I've got some really cute stuff to show you guys. This weekend, I'm really not sure what I am doing. I'm getting a furniture delivery today. My husband and I went recliner shopping last weekend because he needs a new recliner in the family room, and he was going to go pick one out. And I said, no, I'll go with you. No way am I not being involved in that decision. So we got something that's really nice that we both like. So anyway, that's coming today. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend. And I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching. Please let me know what you think of my haul. And I will leave links down below to the bead keepers, to the gingham paper, the teeny tiny roll of Amazon tape, and I think that should be it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.